Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is June 9th, 2015. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. We're going to start off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see that the futures are off the worst levels, but they're still negative today by about 3 points to 20.75 and a quarter per contract. So market again is under pressure, faced big pressure yesterday as well. So we're going to see how this market plays out today. All in all, though, we'll see where this goes, but the volatility should continue at least in the early part of the session. Yesterday we did see very light volume, which is typical of a Monday. Tuesday usually has much higher volume, which is today. So we'll see how this market plays out. Hopefully we'll get some good trading opportunities. And again, come on over to the intraday stock chat room. Take out that 7-day free trial and check us out. You'll see everything that we're doing. All right, first off the bat, we're going to talk about Lululemon. That seems to be the big earnings play today. Ticker symbol is LULU. And you're going to see the stock right now is trading at $62.98 a share. So it's up off of yesterday's close. Closed at $61.52. I'm not really sure where this is going to go. This will be on our radar once the opening bell rings today. But I did work out some levels if the stock does rally up. I'm seeing big time resistance around $66.40, $66.50. I'm not sure it's going to get up to that level. If by some chance the stock does fall, you'll have some double bottom support on the daily chart at around $58.60. Ultimately, I have a lot more levels for you should we need them. But right now, those are the levels that we would use intraday on Lululemon. But the stock is trading higher. We'll see where it goes once the opening bell rings. This will be on our radar today. Let's take a look at United Foods. UNFI is the ticker symbol. You're going to see the stock is trading at $59.33. Closed at $63.66. That is a big haircut for this stock. You're going to come into some pretty good support right around this area. You can see this is a pretty good level going back to July of 2014. In fact, I take that, yep, late July 2014. But a level I like here would be $56.75. Then I also like the $53 level. So keep those levels on the radar today for UNFI. Believe me, it can get down there. It's already down a ton this morning. Let's take a look at Burlington. This is Burlington Stores. Stock right now is trading at $49.76. It closed at $53.89. So this is a pretty good drop for Burlington this morning. The stock does have a little bit of short-term support right around the $46.50 level. So keep that on the radar. After that, though, the stock can go down to $46 and ultimately $42.50. So be careful with Burlington. We don't have a lot of data on this since this is a new issue. It just debuted back in, I guess, September of 2013. It's not that new, but there's not a whole lot of chart data from the past that we can look at for levels according to this name. Let's take a look at Deutsche Bank. It looks like they had their corporate offices raided. Stock right now is trading at $31.07, closed at $31.15. I'm not really seeing a level that interests me on Deutsche Bank just yet, but if it got down to $28.50, I think there could be something there. So keep that on the radar. We'll be watching this one once the opening bell rings today in Deutsche Bank. Again, come on over, take a 7-day free trial. You could trade that right alongside of us. Let's take a look at H&R Block. HRB is the ticker symbol here. Stock did come out with some news today, but you can see right now it's trading at $31 a share, closed at $31.25. The only level that really interests me would be around $30.29. I do think that could be a bounce area, so keep that on the radar for today. All levels mentioned in this video are scalp levels. Let's take a look at PLAY, which is Dave & Buster's. You're going to see this stock is flying high today, trading up at $34.86. We'll give this the upside bias to around $35.25. Maybe it goes a little bit higher. It's a very light volume name. Normal volume on this is about 100 to 200,000 shares a day. Lately, it's been trading up around 400 to 700,000, but it's still, these kind of stocks that trade less than 1 million shares a day can easily overshoot. So you want to watch the level, but I would give this one the upside bias to around $35.25. All right, let's take a look at Atmel. Looks like this company is a semiconductor play. They put themselves up for sale. Right now, the stock is trading at $9.87. Closed at yesterday when the news came out. It went above $10 briefly, finished at $9.75. I really see a wall of resistance for this name around $11.15, maybe $11.20. So again, right now another company putting itself up for sale. Atmel is the name. Watch that $11.15 level. Should be very good resistance if it even gets up there. Let's take a look at HPQ. Looks like they're going to pay a fine for a company that they bought. Right now the stock is trading at $32.60, so it's not really reflecting any negative action here, but the only level that interests me would be around $31.38. So another $1.30 lower. I would actually get interested in HPQ. All right, let's take a look at SAGE. I believe this is a drug stock or biotech stock. Stock is trading at $84.90. It looks like they had positive results on a depression drug. Stock closed yesterday at $75.15. So any way I slice it or dice it, anything above $86, it's overbought. Maybe, got up here at almost to $92, $91.50. That's overdone. So I just don't see the stock making new highs today. I could be wrong, but I just don't see it. All right, let's take a look here at the gold market. Gold is up 5 points today. The GLD, we'll take a look at that. You're going to see the GLD right now. I don't really see where it is. I guess it's around the 113 level. 113 somewhere over here. But again, there's not much we could do with GLD at the moment. We'll watch this one for a little bit of a pattern. If the US dollar index starts to fall, I have the dollar on my left side, that's upticking. If that starts to fall, that could be positive for a dollar. If we take a look at crude oil today, you're going to see crude oil is trading up $1.21 to $59.35. Nice pop in crude. If you take a look at the USO today, you're going to see that that is trading up around $20.05, closed at $19.71. So crude oil is up across the board. And again, if the dollar weakens, crude could trade up a little bit more. So keep that on the radar today. All right, I think I covered everything that I wanted to. Futures are just down 2.5 points now, but nonetheless, they still are weak on the session. Again, it's going to be a pretty interesting trading day today, to say the least. But nonetheless, we have a lot of good action out here. Come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the Intraday Stock Chat. You'll get to see everything that we're doing each and every day. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.